Kim and her 16-year-old daughter are close, but recently Sam's responses to her mum's questions have typically become...
No. No. Sparkles? No.
She can be quite moody when she comes home sometimes, but it doesn't last that long.
Do you recognise that, Sam?
Yeah.
Teenage behaviour has been around since, well, teenagers, and ever since then no one has really understood what it's down to, what they can do about it, and most importantly, when it might end.
This is our scanner. Nothing horrible is going to happen to you.
Now, some may say thankfully, the Wellcome Trust has funded a £5 million brain scanning project to try and understand how the teenage mind works. Sam is among the first of hundreds to take part.
To be able to express oneself is quite difficult, so by the use of imaging and other tools we can really tap into these features of the adolescent brain and to understand how they develop over time as they become a younger adult.
And here's the result, one of the first detailed images of the wiring inside the teenage brain. This type of scanning has only been possible relatively recently. It's able to show the connections between different parts of Sam's brain. And it's thought that it's here, among these connections, that emotions and thoughts reside. During the teenage years, scientists believe that the brain rewires itself, and that this rewiring, specifically at the front, will increase the mind's ability to think ahead and control emotions.
This is an exciting study because it will really be the first time that we've ever been able to understand that in terms of development, in terms of growth, in terms of how young people become adults. And I think that's just going to be a fascinating result.
Sam tells her mum that she's glad to hear that her moody spells are down to her brain wiring, rather than bad behaviour on her part. An excuse that parents across the country will no doubt increasingly be hearing from now on. Palab Ghosh, BBC News, Cambridge.